Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese and GBP USD and many more. So in this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 16th March 2021. So this analysis is for 16th March only. You'll be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis and stocks for 17th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendations. And the first stock for the day is BLND. You can see I have already written here. Okay, BLND is the first stock for the day. And what should be the strategy then? You can see that there is a resistance at sorry there is a resistance at 521 level. Okay, and the stock has tried yesterday to cross the level but it failed, and ultimately it had to close below the resistance level. A few days ago again it tried, it failed. Okay, so there is a chance that stock may go down. So what should be a strategy? Our strategy is simple. If we get a stock below 505.5, okay, if we get the stock below 505.5 level, okay, I'm talking about this level. If we get a stock below this level, we will short the stock. Okay, and in case the stock goes up and hits the 521 level, okay, and if after hitting the 521 level, just try to analyze the psychology of the market. If you see that the stock is struggling at 521 level, the price is struggling very hard, okay, and you see that okay, the sellers have joined the party again, you can short the stock at 521 level as well, or 505. This is the level. Okay, no buy call. You can only buy above 521 level. Okay, in case the price is being supported by good volume only. Okay, otherwise no buy call. In case there is a gap up open, then wait for 15-30 minutes and just see how the price is doing. If you see that after 15-30 minutes the price is comfortably trading above 521 level, then you can go for a buy. And in case during the market session, if you see that the stock has given a breakout, okay, then again wait for 15-30 minutes, because the resistance was very much valid, okay, till yesterday or till today. So you should be respecting that, or we should be respecting that. So in case you see that there is a breakout, again wait for 15-30 minutes and just observe how the price is doing. If you see that after 30 minutes also the stock is trading comfortably, go for a buy. On the other hand, you can short the stock below 505.5 level and at the 521 level if you see some struggle. So the next stock for the day is SKG. For SKG, you can see that yesterday it has formed a big red candle and it has also crossed the daily support. Okay, so this strategy is very simple. Looking at the size of the candle, we won't be looking for any buying opportunity. We will only try to sell the stock below 3305 level. Okay, so only sell the stock below 3305 level. In case the stock goes up a little bit and if it faces some resistance at 3364, okay, 3364 level, and if you see that the stock is reversing from 3364 level, you can short the stock. Otherwise, the best position to short the stock is 3305 level, okay, for a target of 3269 or 3270. The next stock is Aviva. For Aviva, you can see that the stock is trading comfortably above the daily support, and yesterday also it went down a little bit, but the support is still valid. Okay, that's the best part. Okay, so the last traded price or the current market price is 391.1, and so what should we do then? We will only look going for buying opportunity. Okay, because overall the trend of the stock is up. So no sell call for Aviva, only buy call. only buy call above 393.393.3. Okay, so buy above 393.3 level. Next stock is Standard Chartered. This chart is not loading up. Let me write till then. Okay, for Standard Chartered, you can see that for the last 4 days, the stock is struggling to cross the daily resistance, which is at 498 level. Okay, my PC is running battery saver mode. Okay, 498 level. Okay, so the 498 level is very crucial, and you can see that the stock has formed a sorry, the stock has formed a doji kind of a pattern. So the market may go up or may go down. So the you should short the stock below 488.5 and buy, okay, the above this level 490. How much? This is 498. 498. Okay, so for Standard Chartered, buy call above 498 level and sell below 488.5. And in case you find a stock trading between this range 498 to 488 level, then just avoid the stock. That is your no trading zone. Only buy above 498 and sell below 488. And do remember my 15 to 30 minutes rule. Okay, wait for the stock to trade at least for 15-30 minutes above or below. Let the support become the resistance, or let the resistance become the support. Okay, so confirmation is very important. You should not buy right away. So the last stock for the day is Scottish Mortgage Investment, SMT. Okay, for SMT you can see that yesterday it has formed a spinning top kind of a pattern. Okay, spinning top kind of a pattern. In a spinning top kind of a pattern generally suggests that there is an indecision going on in the market. So whenever we see a spinning top, the market either may go up or go down. But day for yesterday, it has formed a hammer. So there is some bullish pressure in the market who are not allowing the stock to go down. Okay, so we should be doing that as well. So if we get the stock above this level, 1170 level, then only we will go for a buy 1170. Okay, so this is the level that you need to watch. Okay, no selling call, because if you sell the stock below this level, then there is a chance that the stock may bounce off and your stop loss will be hit. So you should not take any risk. Only look for buying opportunity above 1170 level on SMT, Scottish Mortgage Investment. So these are the stocks for 16th March 2021. Hopefully you've understood, and if you've liked the video, then please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. I bring videos just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Good luck. And do not forget to subscribe.